Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know the top 5 best Christmas mods for ARK. Number 5. ARK Winter Wonderland Expansion. This is a community-made mod that takes inspiration from the official Winter Wonderland event, but it keeps it running all year round. You'll get the raptor claws dropping gifts from the sky, gacha claws wandering the map, and plenty of festive loot. It's great for servers, and expect snowy weather, Christmas music, and plenty of red and green cheer. Number 4. Christmas Decorations mod. This is perfect for base decorators. This mod adds a huge range of festive props, from glowing string lights and wreaths to snowmen, stockings, and even gift boxes you can usually place under a tree. It's lightweight, runs smoothly on most servers, and lets you fully deck out your base like a cozy cabin in the snow. Number 3. Eco's RP Decor Holiday Edition. If you've used any of Eco's decor mods before, you already know the quality. The Holiday Edition adds everything you need for a festive setup: Christmas trees, candy canes, garlands, ornaments, etc. It's compatible with both PvE and RP style servers, and it looks amazing in screenshots. Number 2. Santa's Workshop mod. This one adds more than just decoration, it actually introduces a whole Christmas themed crafting system. You can build your own Santa's Workshop with custom benches, toy crafting, and themed blueprints. And number 1, this is a full overhaul mod that goes beyond decorations. It retextures part of the ARK world with snow and ice, changes ambient sounds, and it gives the whole pack a wintry look. Even dinos get subtle tweaks, like frosted skin or glowing antlers on reindeer-style creatures. Combine this with festive weather effects, and it honestly feels like a whole new game.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!